Akala ko palam na.
Iba yun! Di kay Sir Luyo.
Maraming salamat, Jurados! At maraming salamat din. And good luck sa'yo, Janelle Silvestre.
Break mo lang.
Let's take it slow, so slow. Sweet escape with great taste white. Tamang timpla, namnamin. Ang smooth.
Mag-smooth and creamy, great taste white.
Taste white.
Hey girls! Experience the power of Palmolive's irresistible and long-lasting bango.
Feel it, share it, we feeling it, we feeling it, we sharing it. That's with Palmolive.
Sis, adobo, i-level up natin yan with Angel Condensada. 2-in-1 setup ng cream at condensada. Wow, naging creamy! At sweet, pag may Angel. Creamy, creamy, sweet sa adobo. Creamy, sweet. Creamy, creamy, sweet sa menudo. Mas sumarap nga. With Angel, mas mapapasarap ang kain ng family. Creamy, creamy, sweet. Creamy, creamy, sweet. With Angel Condensada. Try nyo rin sa ibang dishes.
That's right, you joy soup. Now we go. Oh, the skin. Yes, at ang bababaw pa. Mukhang Instabago in one wash. You joy soup.
Ang stress, ilang nagpapatanda, nagpapahina rin ng resistensya. Buti may stress tabs. With skin repairing and immunity building nutrients. Take stress tabs every day.
You joy soap now in you lock. Leaving germs, oil, and dirt. And soap. You joy soap now in you lock.
Hirap magluto sa 555 tuna. Is dali na sa kanin.
Rekta na, tuna at sarsa, may gulay pa.
555 tuna. Is dali siya.
Hindi pa dadaig ang mga inspiradong tinig dito sa Tawag ng Tanghalan sa Showtime! Ang susunod na sasalang, active sa eskwelahan. Makakuha kaya siya ng mataas na grado sa tanghalan mula sa